The monarch butterfly, along with any other butterflies, wasn't born as a baby butterfly. The 10-centimeter wingspan, vibrant migrating traveler was shaped through heavy metamorphosis. Let's see how their life cycle began as a 2-millimeter egg suspended on a milkweed leaf. Day 0. Monarch butterfly egg. These are laid carefully and singly on the underside of milkweed leaves. Day 4. Monarch butterfly caterpillar. Upon hatching, the larva's very first meal is its own eggshell to reclaim nutrients, followed by eating small circular holes in the leaf. Day 10. Monarch butterfly caterpillar. It eats constantly to grow, storing toxins from the milkweed to protect itself from predators. Day 17. Monarch butterfly pupa, early stage. It forms a beautiful green chrysalis as its larval tissues begin to break down internally. Day 25. Monarch butterfly pupa. A massive internal transformation takes place where adult organs, wings, and muscles develop. Day 30. Monarch butterfly pupa end stage. The chrysalis becomes transparent, making the iconic orange and black wings clearly visible. Day 35. Monarch butterfly. Finally emerging as an adult, it is a master of the sky, capable of incredible long-distance migration. A remarkable cycle of growth and rebirth that showcases the power of the natural world. This is a fascinating look at the life cycle of the monarch butterfly.